This 2021 Chevrolet Malibu is brought to you by Twins Chrysler, Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chevrolet is powered by front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, turbocharged gas, i4, 1.5L 91 engine, and has 86,574 miles. Drive elegance and reliability. Get your 2021 Chevrolet Malibu today. Style meets performance. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.